the queen of how to. Come on and see what I'm gonna show you how to do. Hello, I am Beverly Kane, and welcome to my channel, the queen of how to. That's me. In today's episode, I am going to be showing you a fast, easy, effective way to take off glitter mascara. Because if you've ever had this situation happen, you've gotten all cute, you got your little outfit on, got your hair done, get ready to go, and you want to do something to take that outfit and that little look up a notch. And so you pull out your glitter eyeshadow, and you're thinking, man, I want to do the glitter eyeshadow, but I know the last time I tried to take it off with just a cloth, I had glitter all over myself. I had glitter in my eyeballs. Do I do it? Don't I do it? Don't do it. Don't do it. So if you've ever been there, I got help for you. Then you know the dilemma of wearing glitter mascara. Seems like a good idea. It's super cute with it on, but then that whole back and forth in your head, do I, don't I? Because you remember trying to take it off in the past and how it gets all over, and then you looking like a fairy, a fairy princess sparkling everywhere for the next week. So I am going to show you how to be able to take that off quick and easy. Again, with one simple thing, your mind will be blown. Watch and see. So I'm back. I've been all glitterized, as you can see. And this is just some heavy-duty glitter eyeshadow, which is fun. It's fun, especially if you're going to a nice event, you're going to a fun event, a birthday party, something like that, and you want to amp up your cute, glitter. Eyeshadow is a great way to do that. But the dilemma always is, how do I get that mess off without spreading it all over my face? Like I said, looking like a glitter princess for a week, or getting it all in your eyeballs, or getting it in cloths that you can never get it out of. So I'm going to show you today how to do that quick and easy. I'm telling you, you won't believe how easy this is. You won't believe that you didn't think of it yourself. So all you need, people, Scotch tape. And I prefer the packing tape over the regular little small ones. But just some good, clear tape is an awesome way to take it off. And no, it's not going to hurt you, and it's not going to, pull your eyelid off or anything like that. I've done this several times now. But you just want to pull up a good piece of it, just like that. And then literally, you're just going to lay it on your eye, pat it, and rub it like that. Make sure you get that whole area. And then peel it off. Look at that. I got one more little piece right here. But it takes all of your, look. It takes that off without putting it everywhere, like a cloth would do. And I've had so many times where I've had glitter gotten in my eyeballs. Like I said, couldn't get it out of the cloth. But that is how fast and simple it is to take off glitter eyeshadow with just some Scotch tape. So now I'll go ahead and do the other side. Pat it on where you want it to come off. Get all in the corner. And just like that, it's gone. So next time you want to be extra cute and wear some glitter. Oh, got some in the crease right there. There we go. Get that out. There we go. So next time you want to be extra cute and you want to wear your glitter eyeshadow, girl, go for it. Do your thing, because now you know you can take it off fast and easy with just some simple Scotch tape. And I like the Scotch tape because I know it's a good brand and it sticks well. and so it gets that off really well. You know, an off brand, it might work too, but this I know is going to do the trick. So hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed and have been hanging out with me since I started on January 1. And thank you for those who will join after watching today or in the future. But don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss anything coming in the future. And I hope you guys will come back and see me next week to see what's new from the Queen of How To. Bye.